All right, no internet, but still need to work on your documents. Yeah, Google Docs can actually work offline too. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use Google Docs offline, step by step. First, offline mode works best in Google Chrome, so make sure you're using Chrome. Now go to Google Drive, click the gear icon and open Settings. Turn on the option that says Offline Access for Docs, Sheets, and Slides. If prompted, install the Google Docs offline extension. Now right-click Important Files and enable Available Offline. Even without internet, you'll still be able to open and edit those documents. Your edits are saved locally, and once internet comes back, everything syncs automatically. On mobile, you can also make files available offline inside the Google Docs app. Remember, offline files take up device storage, so remove old ones if needed. And yeah, that's how you use Google Docs offline. Super useful when traveling, working remotely, or dealing with unstable internet.